Okay, I did this video not long ago and immediately negated all of my hard work by switching up what I use for magnifying when painting, and now I have gone ultra streamlined. First of all, I don't wear glasses. I have glasses, but I don't wear them. But I'll get to the bit for those who do shortly, so hold tight, my specky friends. I've decided that I don't need the light, the batteries, the LEDs, the weight, the discomfort, and any of that, because the reality is I need 2 magnification levels and I paint under a bright enough light already. One for most days, an average detail, and one for getting ultra close and dicking about with eyes and stuff. So that's it. I got 2 sets of cheap reading glasses from Amazon. In fact, each purchase was also 2 sets, so I've got spares. But these are basically what I'm using. They're comfy, they're lightweight, and they're robust. I can wear them for ages without feeling like they're trying to slice my ears off or dig into my nose. They don't take up stacks of space or bump into the lamp when I'm using them. They don't run out of battery because there isn't a battery in them. And the lenses don't clip in and out, so there's no moving parts to get broken. That's it. There's a 2.5 times and a 4.5 times diopter. Yeah, I can't believe the solution was so simple all along, but here we are, cheap and useful. That's it, a few quid. Now, for those with specs, those who wear glasses, hello glasses wearers, this bit's for you. Hello there, hi. Are you a person with less than perfect vision? Then this bit is for you, the great bespectacled, you people who will immediately type, yeah, but what about people with glasses, into the comments before getting this far. This is your time, let's go. I like this thing. This was recommended to me on my last video, and heck, it bloody well works perfectly. It's light enough to be comfortable, it's got a headband, and it's not got a billion attachments and constantly clonking off the overhead lights or anything like that. It also doesn't pinch my giant noggin and give me headaches after prolonged use. What's not to like? Links for all these are, all 3 of these things are in the description, but let me know what you use, but understand that if you use anything other than what I've just shown you, I'll immediately judge you for terrible decision making. And if you like this kind of quick review video where you just get the information, let me know. If you want me to shut up and just paint stuff, also let me know, I guess. If you want to join the Discord and have a look at your painting, or have me have a look at your painting, or chat with a bunch of other painters, you can do that. And if you want to support me in any way beyond liking the video or subscribing for free, you can buy me a coffee, or more accurately, a paint via Ko-Fi or Coffee or whatever it's called. Also linked below. Okay, that is it, people. Buy yourself some cheap reading glasses, save yourself a bunch of money. See you next time.